Hey, good afternoon. I hope you're doing well. Next to me is a 1991 Final Edition Grand Wagoneer. This truck's phenomenal, finished in black cherry. It's just recently received a body-off restoration with over $60,000 in receipts. This thing is like new. Tune in as we get you familiar with our newest arrival here at Lafontaine Classics. This truck's got a good story and a good bit of paperwork. It was sold new in Virginia. It lived its whole life there. The previous owner bought this truck in 1999 and has had it the past 25 years, whatever that might be. He was also the gentleman who had the restoration done there in Virginia. Our chrome is wonderfully polished. Our grille and headlight surround looks new. The lamps, the lenses, all look to be new. And the paint on this truck, I'd argue it might be better than new. It looks like this truck just rolled out of the showroom. It's free of chips. I have not noticed any major blemishes. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood for you. And just over here, we've got a little paddle to lift up on, release that. And here we have the original 5.9 liter V8. Has been completely rebuilt. The detail work is incredible. The cleanliness of the firewall trimmed in that satin black. Even going the extra mile to put some factory resembling inspection markings on that firewall. Really dig it. The finish on the underside of the hood is great. This does have an upgraded 4-barrel carburetor with an electronic choke, making life a little bit easier. This thing is equipped with power disc brakes, power steering, cruise control, and air conditioning. Show you this hood closing up. Seals up nicely. Great gaps. As we roll down the body, you see we got beautiful looking wood grain, all of which was just redone a few years back. The badging's excellent. These factory turbine style wheels look incredible. Those have been refinished. It's got new Nexen tires on it with the white wall. And that's a 235/75 R15. This is a 4x4 truck. It's got a dual range transfer case. The transmission and transfer case have also been rebuilt. Great gaps going down the side of this car. So all new trim, marker lights, tail lamps. One thing very neat, you can slide this away and you get access to this lock cylinder. That actually powers the rear glass with the twist of a key, and this tailgate drops down. Again, the gaps, the finish. Look at the roof rack up there with a little bit of wood grain on it. The glass has all the clarity in the world. It's not scratched up. The seals all around here look new. And the chrome on the door handles is not pitting. The polish on the stainless brightwork looks incredible. Both the mirrors are in great condition. Antennas standing nice and straight. And our windshield is free of chips or cracks. Wow. The doors feel really good. This is probably the end of the era where car doors had such a great thud opening and closing them. Door cards look amazing. In fact, I think they may even be new. We've got power window switches for all around the cab. We have power locks, remote mirror control, beautiful leather wrapped wheels. This thing's got a tilt column. We've got gauges for fuel level, coolant temp, speedo run up to 100 miles per hour. And we also have a oil pressure gauge and an amp meter. There's 140,000 miles on the odometer. Those are the original miles. Now the restoration has just a couple thousand, and the previous owner in his 20 plus years of ownership put about 20,000 miles on this truck. See our tilt function, just like that. 4-speed automatic right on the column. We have an original Jeep floor mat. That's probably the worst part about the truck. There's a wear mark in this original mat. However, it's done a great job preserving this carpet. Rubber on the pedals looks great. AC vents below the dash. Those are factory and looking good. We have our 4x4 on the fly here, with this switch to work our electronically controlled transfer case. Have a nice armrest here, but can also be a buddy seat, which Chrysler is known for. This nice maroon leather looks awesome. I love the velour suede in the middle. Dash pad free of cracks. We have our Final Edition badge right here in the middle, like these cars got. We have the original AM, FM, and cassette radio, which is working. We've got a door over here to reveal an ashtray and a 12-volt socket, our cigarette lighter, AC controls, our glove box right here in the middle. Courtesy lamp working, original sticker there on the back of it. Door, latch, all in really good shape. The rest of the dash, all nice. No delamination on that stick on there. This is impressive. Now let's check out the rear. Man, this thing is crisp. The door edges are all impressive. The door jamb, all the seals. Nothing was overlooked. We have little ashtrays back here. We've got our power window switches for the rear passengers. This seat is impressive. This is quite inviting. I want to sit back here. This looks cool. A bit of added padding here. Mats and carpet are all in good shape. You see we have lap belts for 1, 2, and 3. And this seat can actually be folded. Let me go ahead and figure that out. And just like that, get you some more storage. This nice little cargo shade can be rolled out and cover the rear of this truck. 2, you can easily remove this whole bench if you like as well. It does require 1 tool and a couple turns of it. Headliner is impressive. Front to back, no sagging, nothing we don't like. And that full overhead console. It's got a bit of storage, obviously the dome lights, some map lights, spot to put your sunglasses. It's a really cool truck. Thank you for checking out this listing. If you want to know anything more about it, you can call us up at any time at 248-714-2110. Also, too, you can hit us via email at inquiry@lafontaineclassiccars.com. Down below in the description of this video, we'll be sure to leave the price of the vehicle and also a link. That link will take you over to view the full listing on our website, where we got pictures high and low all the way around it. Of course, pictures of the underbody, close-ups of some of the documentation. I know this truck still has the window sticker. It was 30,000 and change new back in 91. Quick recap, Virginia truck its whole life, completely restored, all works as it should, and it's in a very unique color combination with the black cherry over maroon. If you've been looking for one, it does not get much better. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you.